Hello students, in previous day I have discussed about the different types of thermometer. First laboratory thermometer, second clinical thermometer. So about the laboratory thermometer I have discussed. Today we are going to discuss about the clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer name is the doctor's thermometer, and these types of thermometer used by the doctors for measuring the temperature of human body. So clinical thermometers, the clinical thermometer has a temperature scale marked from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. In laboratory thermometers has marked from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. But in clinical thermometers has a very short range of temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. So clinical thermometers already having like this. This is a clinical thermometer. Here it is a kink. It is mercury thread. Mercury thread. Kink marked on this 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. So in this glass tube, clinical thermometers mark from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. These types of thermometer used by the doctors for measuring the temperature of the human bodies, and average human body's temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So there are two properties of the clinical thermometers. A clinical thermometer's ranges is the 35 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Means we cannot measure less than 35 degrees Celsius or maximum more than 42 degrees Celsius temperature by these types of thermometer. Second, in these types of clinical thermometers has a kink. In laboratory thermometers has not kink. Clinical thermometer has a kink. It prevents the mercury fall down in the increasing of the temperature. Means clinical thermometer has a kink. In the glass tube, it is a glass tube. Glass tube or thermometer tube, and it has a kink. What is the work of kink? This kink prevents. Kink is to prevent the backflow of mercury is to the measuring thermometer bulb when the thermometer bulb is removed from the human bodies or mouth of the patient. What is the work of kink? Kink prevents to the backflow of mercury in the thermometer bulb. when the thermometer bulb is removed from the mouth of the patient. It is the work of king. So there are different uses, different types of instrument uses for the measuring thermometer temperature of the bodies. Second units, these types of thermometers graduated as the Fahrenheit degree. It is in degree Celsius. So the Fahrenheit scale of the temperature marked on the clinical thermometer has a range of 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Range of clinical thermometer range of clinical thermometer in Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Both are same value. 35 degree Celsius temperature is equal to the 94 degree Fahrenheit. So these are the instrument clinical thermometer which uses for the measuring the temperature of human bodies. Now how will you use this? What is the process of using for the clinical thermometer? If you want to make the temperature of measuring temperature of the human body, then it is the thermometers, and these thermometers having a kink, and these thermometers kinks having the, this is the thermometer of liquids. Mercury, this is the mercury thread. Mercury. And you will put this part of the mouth of the patients. Then this, as a thermometer increases the heat, then mercury will be moved in the upward direction. Suppose mercury reaches to up to 38 degrees Celsius. 38. Suppose it is a thermometer, then you will take it comfortably and put in the mouth, patient's mouth, and in the mercury thermometers, this clinical thermometers, mercury reaches expand when thermometer heated in the patient's mouth, then mercury will be expand up to 38 degrees Celsius. After 1 minute, take out or remove thermometer from the mouth of the patient, and you will see mercury lines reaches up to 38 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, whatever this marks. Then you can read this the temperature, and you will find the dash temperature of the body. And after using, if you want to second time for using the second persons, then you will give lightly jerk. First, you should wash your hand and with the antiseptic liquids, otherwise clean waters, and after washing your hand, you will take thermometers and keep in the mouth of these patients. And after 1 minute, remove your thermometer from the patient's mouth. Then you will see in that thermometer mercury will be expanded up to some distance, some mark. You will find the temperature of the that persons, that bodies. So it is the process of the measuring temperature of the human bodies by the clinical thermometer. So there are two types of thermometer you have known. First, laboratory thermometer. Second, clinical thermometer. So what difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer, or what are the similarity between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer? So we are going to discuss about the similarity and comparison between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. So already you have know about the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Both types of thermometers on the basis of mercury in glass thermometer. Means clinical thermometer having mercury and laboratory thermometer having mercury. But here we will discuss about the comparison, what difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Similarity, both types of thermometers having mercury, and differences between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer has a kink in its tube that prevent the backflow of mercury into the bulb, whereas laboratory thermometers has no kink. What difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer? Clinical thermometer has a kink which prevent to backflow of the mercury into the bulb, whereas laboratory thermometers has no kink. Kink shape having like this. It is known as a kink. It prevents to mercury come back, flow back in the glass bulb. But laboratory thermometer has no kink. Second difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer ranges is 10 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer ranges is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Very short ranges. We can measure from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius temperature by the clinical thermometer. Second, and whereas laboratory thermometers, ranges of laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It is the range of the laboratory thermometer. So clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer. First difference between the clinical and laboratory. Clinical thermometer has kink. Laboratory thermometer has no kink. Second difference, clinical thermometer. Range of clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And laboratory thermometer ranges is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Third one, in clinical thermometer, in laboratory thermometer, you will see here, in laboratory thermometer, measuring minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, it is a laboratory thermometer. And in second hand, clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer 35, 36, 37, 38. So you will see here between 0 and 10 divided to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means by the laboratory thermometer we can measure minimum 1 degree, accurate to 1 degree Celsius temperature. And by the clinical thermometer we can find 1 by 10 degrees Celsius, 1 by 10 degrees Celsius, or 0.1 degree Celsius. Accurately, we can find 0.1 degree Celsius temperature by the clinical thermometer, and 1 degree Celsius temperature we can measure by the laboratory thermometer. These are the differences and similarity between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Again, I will discuss lightly difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer has a kink, laboratory thermometer has no kink. Clinical thermometer, range of clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and range of laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Third one, by the laboratory thermometer we can measure accurate 1 degree Celsius temperature, but by the clinical thermometers we can measure accurate exactly 0.1 degree Celsius temperature. These are the differences between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. After this, similarity and difference between the different instrument for the measuring the thermometer, like Fahrenheit degree Celsius, Kelvin scale and degree Celsius scale. So I will discuss briefly about these. Okay.